So this is the the table I built. The kids kind of have a mess made around it, but it's just some 2-inch square tube and then some 1x2 rectangle, and then the top is 2 pieces of 3/4 inch MDF put together, and then my wife put some batting underneath it and this vinyl leather stuff over it. Turned out really nice, I think. And I did grind the corners smooth and then sanded them. And then this is not bare metal, it's actually clear coated. I just cleaned it off and clear coated it, but it's nice for putting your feet on, and it's got just enough batting that it's comfortable, but you can still put stuff on it like a beer bottle or a juice box or whatever, and it won't,
like Riker.
Yeah, and it won't fall over. Mm-hmm. Yeah, or you can put Riker up there.
Or me,
yeah.
Because I can stand.
Yeah, but that's my table, and I'll show you a few pictures of it, partially assembled, but super easy little project. And I got these machine foot adapters that I pounded in there, and then some machine feet that have a little rubber pad on the bottom. I didn't weld this perfectly flat because I don't have a good table yet, and I think it makes it look nice. So yeah, that's just one of the little projects I worked on that I wanted to share.